All I hear is talking, I don't sweat that. If they don't trust me either, I respect that. If she be down the ride, oh, I bet that.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is JH. How ya doing, Postal family? Everybody good? Everybody cool? Everybody clean? Everybody crisp? Everybody hiring? Let's talk. Alright, so that was a little extra, not needed. All systems go. New robotic systems help boost plant productivity. Now, while the Postal Services uses robots in plants across the country, the system recently installed at the Topeka, Kansas Material Distribution Center might be the most advanced yet. The busy center, often called the Postal Service's super warehouse, stores approximately 33,000 different items, including repair parts, supplies, stamps, and more, and ships to the organization's 21 network distribution centers. Fulfilling NDC orders have always been time-consuming, labor-intensive processes. Joyce Guthrie, a robotics engineer with the Postal Service Automated Guided Vehicles and Robotics team. They got a team trying to replace us, I'm trying to tell you. Employees had to pull pallets off of items, pick out what they wanted, place them on a separate pallet for distribution. Topeka wanted to make more efficient process. Last August, the team installed the organization's first parcel robotic sortation system, or PRSS. The cutting-edge system uses a robot that operates in a closed cell and conveyor and autonomous mobile robots, or AMRS. Putting it together creates pretty much a fully automated system. Said such and such technology development and applications senior, I don't care about these people's names, along with the new sorting machine. Increased use of robotics is part of the organization's 10-year developing for American plan to modernize the Postal Service. The Topeka Center, which has 15 AMRs, is one of the several postal facilities where robots, which are equipped with scanners, that read shipping labels and QR codes, are used. Here's how it works. Employees upload orders for the items, which creates a manifest that is sent to the PRSS. Then, based on what the manifest, forklift drivers bring pallets of items to the robot cell, where a mechanical arm unloads the pallets. The robot takes the items, put them on a conveyor where they are scanned, and shipping labels are attached. The AMS takes items from the conveyor, gets the zip code and location information from the system's brain, called the processing control system, drops the items into containers designated for the specific NDCs. Forklift driver later loads the container onto trucks for shipping. Only 2 employees are needed to move the pallets to the PRSS, which can process 3,000 to 4,000 orders a day with virtually no scanning errors. There's also an operator who removes the full containers and replaces them with empty ones. The workday often ends 2 hours earlier than before it was installed, and the NDCs get their items faster. There's no waiting, no rushing, no having to assign extra people to get containers done. Now the trucks come in, get loaded, and go. It's all done. The PRSS, which takes approximately 3 weeks to install, including programming, and the AMS, has limitations. For instance, really large items must be sorted manually because they won't fit on the conveyor. Aside from other considerations such as cost of installation relative to the plant's volume, we could implement this solution into any plant in the country. Now, if you didn't understand what I just said in that short time, they fulfill the needs of all the post offices nationwide. Basically, if something breaks and they have to replace it, post office requests it. This warehouse has everything. Now, this robot damn near does all the work. This is the beginning of these things replacing what we do. Now, posted a picture of it. I'll throw one in here somewhere so you can see as well. These robots are helping to aid the plant operation and will continue doing so. What can we do? Just do our job. That's it. Just do our job. These new plants that are getting built will have these robots in there? I'm 100% sure of it. Is it something to worry about? No. Just get prepared and ready for the change. Just passing on some information. I just read it. Some people read, some people don't. But now you know. Look it up for yourself. You can find this information on the link.usps.com. All right? This is JH with a little smidget for you there, Roy. Just a little bit of smidget for you. We out.